Hello and welcome. Jordan Wagner here with Alaska Smack YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be giving you the part 3 of my Alaska Trapper Cabin series. For those of you who are trying to learn how to frame log homes, you're in the right place. So please stick around so I can teach you a thing or two about framing today, and hope you guys enjoy. could have been bad. Whew. All right. Now we're going to use our brain. Okay guys, at this stage, now that we have, our first row of plywood up along this whole thing, now we got to figure out where our corners are to cut out for our windows and doors. So, the best way to do that is sink screws in your corners. Like so. And now, we know exactly where our corners are. And all we have to do from there is chalk box. But real fast, we're just going to go around and put all the screws in all of our windows. We shall sink the screw into the corner. Now, we come up here, handy dandy chalk line. If you don't have one of these, definitely need one. Because these are the most amazing tools ever invented. I think every man needs a chalk line. If you're a carpenter and you don't have a chalk line, you're doing something wrong, dude. Okay? Time to just own up to the fact that you need a chalk line and get one. And I will gladly put a link in the description for my recommended chalk line box. Just kidding, it doesn't really matter what kind. This one right here is a Milwaukee. I just like Milwaukee tools. It's what I roll with. So I tend to buy everything Milwaukee. I mean, there's a lot of other good brands out there too. Maybe you don't have availability to a Milwaukee one, but any kind of chalk box is better than no chalk box. What's nice about it is you're very self-sufficient with something like this. You know, you don't need someone else holding the other end of your string line or your board to make a mark. That's what I love about it. The only downside, the chalk. But who cares? You can just wash it off. All right. Mark out my other two side windows and pull some screws and make some cuts. Not my finest work, but oh well. It's really hard to be perfect all the time. There we have it. Some Phillip spots up top, and then she's good. Maybe I'll get a chance with these ones. Oh, come on. I got these two for sure. 3, 2, 1. Got it. We're eating good tonight. Ribeye of the sky, as they call it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see some exclusive hunts and the remainder of this cabin build, please like and subscribe. And until next time.